In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clipped or angled corners in Figma. Start by opening your design so you are working right on the frame or artboard where the shape will live. Next, draw a rectangle and make sure it's selected. This will be the base shape you are going to modify. So position and size it the way you want before moving on. Now switch to the pen tool, using the P shortcut if you like. You are going to add new points on the edges near one corner to define the cut. Zoom in a bit for precision, and click once on the top edge close to the corner. Then click on the side edge near that same corner. And finally, click at the corner itself to close the shape. That creates a small triangular piece that represents the slice you want to remove. If that triangle doesn't look solid, select the shape and click Fill in the right-hand panel so it's a filled shape with a visible color. Filling it makes it easier to see and ensures the next operation behaves correctly. With the triangle ready, select both the rectangle and that corner shape together. You can shift-click each one or drag a selection marquee around them. Look at the Boolean operations menu in the toolbar. You'll notice options like union selection in the drop-down. That's where all the shape operations live. For a clipped or angled corner, choose Subtract Selection from that same menu. Subtract selection removes the top shape from the one beneath it. So the filled triangle cuts cleanly out of your rectangle, leaving a beveled or chamfered corner. A couple of helpful notes as you work. If the result looks inside out, check Layer Order. Subtract removes the upper shape from the lower one, so make sure the triangle is above the rectangle before you apply the operation. Smart guides can help your pen points snap exactly to edges and the corner for a crisp cut. If you want a more dramatic angle, position your triangle points farther from the corner before you subtract. And because Figma's Boolean operations are live by default, you can select the resulting shape and adjust those points afterward to fine-tune the bevel without rebuilding anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.